This on-demand PD was created for a teacher who wanted to remove the audio from a PowerPoint presentation and save it to a CD for the creation of an audiobook. To start, click the Office menu, Save As, Other Formats, enter the file name, and from the drop-down menu that says Save As Type, you want to make sure that you select Web Page. By default, it saves as a PowerPoint, but you can choose from many different types. By doing this, saving as a web page, it will generate an HTML page and a file folder which contains the images and audio contained within the presentation itself. Depending on the size of your presentation, this process might take a few moments. You'll see down towards the bottom right-hand corner of the screen a small status bar indicating that it is compressing the pictures, and then it indicates that PowerPoint is converting your file into either the HTML, and a third progress bar shows that it's saving the final copy of the presentation. And when that last status bar disappears, your file is now converted. If you navigate to where you saved your converted file, you'll see the file folder. Click into that, and then you'll see your sound files. The next step in the process is to download the free MP3 joiner. Now, you could use Audacity to join several audio files together, but in this case there were 22, so I wanted something that would automatically take these files and put them end on end so that it created one long single continuous file. And this piece of software I found worked quite well that way. Once you've installed it, open the free MP3 joiner. You can note the bottom of the screen. What I've done is minimized the program to half the screen, and then I've opened the window containing the folder of sound files and minimized that to half the screen as well. Now I highlight all the wave sound files that I want to use and drag them over to the select media screen. Depending on the name given to each of the files, you might have to drag and drop their order. In this case, the first and second track were dropped to the bottom of the order, so I want to pull them to the top. By default, the export format selected is MP3, but as we are looking to record audio that will play on a regular CD player, we need to choose the WAV format from the drop-down. Click Settings to change the audio quality, then OK, then Merge. Enter the file name and then Save. Again, depending on how many files and the size of those files you are trying to merge, it may take a few moments. Once the merging process is completed, you can navigate back to the folder which you chose to save the file, and you should see it in the list as we do here, Spring Audio merged at the bottom.